The VEVOR Rotisserie Grill 46-inch is equipped with a powerful 52-watt motor that ensures effortless and consistent rotation of the spit rod, enhancing your grilling experience. With a spacious 46-inch grill, this rotisserie can hold up to 132 pounds of meat, making it suitable for large family gatherings and offering an unmatched smoky flavor. Constructed from robust stainless steel, the grill is designed to resist wear, corrosion, and dust, promising longevity and easy maintenance with a simple wipe-down. The grill features adjustable height settings and a stable 45-degree tripod, allowing you to control the cooking temperature and ensuring stability on various surfaces. Designed with user convenience in mind, it includes 4 lockable wheels for easy mobility and comes with additional accessories like seasoning bottles, tongs, and a brush. The metal-edged windshield and 2-in-1 design make it versatile for both manual and automatic rotation, ensuring the flame stays lit and providing a seamless grilling experience.